Hello friends, a very good evening to everyone. So from day before yesterday night 11 p.m. and yesterday morning 8:30 a.m. it was raining, and 8:30 to 9:30 it was very heavy rain, and now again it started to rain. So it is all due to cyclone asani only. Because of cyclone asani, now it is raining in Chennai here. But during the summer season, like this, rain is very well. The climate is very well and cool, and I am happy, and the plants are also happy, because during summer season all the plants will be very dull in growth. But now it is raining because of cyclone asani in Chennai. So now rain is coming and the climate is becoming cool. So it is producing more new growth in plants. So in hibiscus and all, you can see many new stems are coming, and in jasmine also. And not only that, I just wanted to tell you one thing about rain. So what is special in rain means, we may give many fertilizers to plants. That is all natural fertilizers only, organic only, but we are making it. But the rain is really very most 100% natural, because we are not creating it. It is coming on its own, and the plants need some nitrogen content to grow well. So this nitrogen content is present in the rainwater, and it is giving cool, chill climate, and it is also very well. And not only that, many times I am noticing that whenever rain comes, my garden is growing very well. Whenever rain comes, all the plants will grow very well, because it is like a growth booster for them. And not only that, during rainy times, I am not telling heavy rains. Heavy rains mean you will get more damage only. Moderate rain or drizzling like rain, like that. In that time, if you sow the seeds, it will give you a very good germinating. So very good germinating you can see during that rain time. So these are all the benefit of rain, and this is the climate of Chennai. So some chill breeze are there, and it is raining with a 1 hour 2 hour gap or half an hour gap, like that only. But the climate is very cool here. So the sky is also very misty, foggy, like that only. So this only I just wanted to tell you in this video. Thanks friends, bye.